I'd like to show you the difference between the original one-click and the mini one-click cleaner. Often when you're cleaning connectors at a patch panel, there's areas where you cannot get into a connector with the original one-click cleaner, such as a bracket being in the way. This bracket here is keeping me from getting into this connector on the back of this panel. With the compact size of the one-click cleaner, I can actually get in behind that bracket and still get to the connector to clean it.